What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm bringing you along for part 2 of my nail haul. So this is stuff that I also bought off my birthday money, but this time I'm focusing solely on stuff that I have got to go on my up and coming nail course. So as I've said to you guys, I'm going to be training with Hazel Dixon Nail Academy and my course starts on the 21st of April. So I thought I would bring you guys along on the journey, and we're starting with part 1, which is going to be buying my first nail kit. So if you guys would be interested to see everything I got, then just keep on watching. So guys, jumping right in with today's video, and I'm going to begin by sharing with you the sort of luggage related items that I picked up. So I obviously needed a nail bag to go ahead and put all of my bits and bobs in because I am going to be travelling on a train and all that stuff. So I went looking and I found this absolutely gorgeous bag. So I got this from Rue Beauty and it was on sale. They usually retail for £85 and I got mine for £35. So this is the Belita bag. In it, it has 2 massive pockets which are going to be perfect for obviously holding monomer, acetone, all that good stuff that is in chunky bottles. And then inside the actual bag you also get 3 of their nail polish cases. But what I thought was really interesting about this was that you could go ahead and remove that foam slot, so I could put things like my acrylic powders and all of that stuff inside that little container. So it really is perfect for all kinds of nail techs, whether you are doing acrylic, gels, all that stuff. You have massive amounts of space and it is perfect to carry your whole kit. It also has that big pocket at the top that could be perfect for things like your LED light or whatever else you're needing it for. So guys, the next item I got was probably a little bit weird, but bear with me. So I went ahead and grabbed myself a little lunch bag because where I'm doing my nail course, they suggest that you take your own lunch, and I wanted somewhere that I could put my lunch in without needing to worry about it being inside where all of my nail stuff is. So I just got this super cheap one from Asda. I think it probably cost me about £6. And then the other luggage related item I got was this brush case. This is from Amazon but by the brand Urbanity, and is sort of like a hard case that is perfect for acrylic brushes or your nail tools. And again, I just wanted to make sure that my acrylic brushes were away from the monomer and acrylic inside the bag, just in case we have a little bit of an accident. And then I also needed writing materials for my nail course, so I went ahead and bought myself some of these rose gold pens and a little notebook to match, and some little folders that I could go ahead and print off my coursework so I can keep everything nice and clean and in one place. So guys, now that we have the boring stuff out of the way, let's jump into what I actually got for my nail kit. So I was saving some money because I already had full acrylic systems available, but I did want to do a little bit of a splurge when it came to buying nail tools and things like that. So off I went to Nail Artisan and I picked up 2 of her absolutely gorgeous sets. I first got the sort of nail tech set, which contains your tip cutters and also your pinching tool. Now these are much more expensive than ones you will find on eBay, Amazon or AliExpress, but they are far superior quality. They are so chunky and heavy in the hand that you could definitely feel the difference from the cheaper alternatives. So I next went ahead and grabbed her Manicure set. So this one is £49 and in it you get a range of tools for everything you need to prep the nails for acrylic application. So you get your tip cutters, you get tweezers, you get all your cuticle knives, and you also get your cuticle nippers and scissors. So my next stop was Sally's and I went ahead and grabbed a few little odd bits that I thought would look good in my kit and may come in handy. So I first got this little bottle of acetone. It's only 125ml, but I thought it was absolutely perfect just to pop in my bag and take it in case I needed it. And then I also went ahead and grabbed some of these Birchwood sticks and also some of the dual-ended ones as well. Again, I don't know if I'll use them, but they may come in handy. And then I also got this nail brush, and then I picked up some Hygiene and nail cleansing spray by the brand ASP. So guys, the next couple of items from Sally's were probably for my own nail use. I'm not going to lie, these will probably not go in my nail kit and will definitely be for my own personal use. So I first got a Colour Club stripers in white and black, and then I went ahead and got 2 Icon glitters. These are the first time I've purchased them and I'm absolutely in love. So I first got Firecracker, which is this beautiful sort of orange glitter with a really nice gold iridescent feel in there as well. And then I went ahead and picked up another one. This time this one is called Blush and is an absolutely gorgeous ultra fine rose gold glitter and is simply beautiful, and I will just show you them side by side so you could see the colour comparison, and I will definitely be adding more of these to my collection. So then I needed some nail tips, and obviously my one-stop place for that is Glitter Planet UK. I absolutely love her tips for my own personal use, and I decided to grab a couple to put in my kit as well. So like I said, I got two different kinds. I first got the Salon Natural Pro tips. Again, I haven't tried these before, but they look absolutely amazing. And I also got the coffin tips as well, just so I had a little bit of variety. So guys, we are now moving on to my Ink London purchases, and this is where I bought the bulk of the stuff I needed for my nail kit. As I've mentioned previously, I love using Ink London products, and this will probably be the system that I will be using on clients as well. So jumping into what I actually got, I got a crap ton of nail files, far more than I probably needed. So I got 7 150 buffers, I got 7 180 grit files, I then got 7 of the 100 grit files, and then I also got another couple of different buffers. So we have the 180 grit buffers, and then we have the 240, 280 or 240 or 240 grit buffers. Anyway, I got 3 of the other ones and 2 of those ones. And then I also got some foil removing wraps. Again, I don't use these in my own home, but I thought they would be a great thing to add to my kit. So I got 2 packets of those. Again, super cheap, and you get 100 in each box. And then I also got some of these, the wipe. This is the Ink London's new lint-free wipes, so I went ahead and grabbed 1 packet of those. Next, I went ahead and grabbed some of their nail tips. I haven't actually used Ink London nail tips before, so I went with the 500 box of their natural salon tips to give these a go. Then I was a little bit mystified because I found this random blue polish, but they added this kindly for free and wrote it on my invoice, which I thought was super cute of them, and it's one I actually don't own, and it's blue. Let's face it, I'm in love. And then I also went ahead and got some of their coconut cuticle oil. Again, I have lots of cuticle oils, but I wanted a fresh one for my nail kit. And then I also went ahead and got some of their Ink London Bonder. So next, I went ahead and got 5 of their bottles of brush on nail glue. You get 5 or 6 grams of product per bottle. Again, I won't use all of these for my up and coming nail course, but I thought it would be handy for when I do start to take on clients. And then my next item was some of their acetone proof dispensing bottles. I got these for my monomer simply because I wasn't sure if I was going to need to decant the monomer or what monomers I wanted to take, so it was great to have that little option. And then I went ahead and also grabbed one of their dusting brushes. They do 2 different varieties, and I got the slightly firmer one. Then I also went ahead and grabbed one of the Ink London disinfectant sprays. I got mine in the apple aroma. So now guys, we're moving on to the last few bits and bobs that I picked up, and these are all sort of the liquids that I will need. So I went ahead and got them in a set of 300 millilitres per bottle, and I got the remover, the dehydrator, and also the nail cleaner. And again, these are super small bottles. They do larger ones, but these ones are going to be perfect for my kit. And finally guys, that has us reached the end of today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed having a little nosy at everything I picked up for my nail kit. As you can see, there is a hell of a lot missing, but I will be showing you everything that I have got, because like I said, I did have a lot of the things that I needed already in my kit. So I will be showing you everything that I am packing and taking with me, so you will see my full kit in the next video. And remember lovelies, if you're interested in any of the products that I have mentioned in today's video, I will go ahead and leave exactly where I got them, their exact names, and all of the links and details linked down below for you guys so you could find them for yourself. And finally guys, to finish off today's video, if you did enjoy my haul today, please give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notifications bell to be updated anytime I upload a new video. And as always, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!